Hello everyone. I'm going to present my storybook. My name is Joana Stefania Mesa Vitrago. I am 23 years old. I am pretty easygoing and social. I am easy to talk and a good listener. I understand people. I make friends very easily. I am adventurous and enjoy the outdoors. Also, I am extremely sensitive. I love to read whenever I get time. I try to read as much as possible. I don't like get up early. I can't stand loud music. I live in San Cristobal neighborhood. People are living here many years. They are so friendly and hospitable. My favorite book is Lord of the Rings, written by Tolkien author. It is a fantasy novel. I like this book because it's a book which transports me to a fantastical world every turn. My favorite holiday is Halloween because I can eat as much candy corn as I want. I usually watch a scary movie. My family celebrate by having costume parties and playing special games. I like buying for apples and telling God's stories. My cousins go trick or treating snacking on darts. I used to get dressed up when I was a kid. I enjoyed the princess costume. I like collecting many candies in a pumpkin. I love him out with my friends and put horror makeup or masks. I usually eat some snacks like cakes, desserts. I can dress up and not be judged. I always clean up my room every day because I don't like my room untidy. I always walk the dog every day. I usually cook and wash the dishes. I often do the laundry on Sunday morning. I often hang out with the clothes. I frequently mop the floor. I frequently do the shopping with my mom twice a month. I seldom clean the stuff. I hardly ever take out the trash. I vacuum the floor once a week. Currently, I am listening Christian music on mornings. I pray every morning when I wake up. I always wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning and having my breakfast at 8 a.m. I go for a walk with my dogs in the park. I usually do my homework at noon because after I got busy with my baby, I am reading the Bible before I go to the bed. I always make the lunch and wash the dishes. In the afternoons, I take a nap with my son. I hardly ever go to the bed early because I like to watch TV. My favorite book is The Giving Tree. I love that book. I used to read the book every day when I was in the school. I really enjoy Jimmy Jam show on Caracol channel. And personally, I watched Resident Evil is an action horror science fiction film. I like to watch mystery documentaries or the funniest animal shows. On weekends, I read magazines such as Condorito. I like to watch romantic indie films on Netflix because I like their culture. I love to search about nature stories from here and our ancestors. I enjoy to watch funny TV shows such as comedy and sitcoms. I like to listen relaxing sounds from nature. You ocean and birds. It's hot, you must put your sunglasses. It's windy, we need wear a jacket. It's rainy, we need to bring an umbrella. If you feel cold, you need put on your coat. It's freezing cold, you need put on your gloves and scarf. It's stormy, we need to wear an umbrella. It's snowing, you need put on your boots. It's raining, you need your raincoat. It's foggy, you need put on your cardigan. It's sunny, you should put your sunscreen on your skin.